Hello and welcome to Digital Classes on YouTube channel of Lalbagh Girls Inter College. I am Mrs. Paul and this lecture of mine is for the students of class 12. Children, we are doing a lesson in prose, The Secret of Health, Success and Power. And I know it's a big lesson. We have already done 8 parts. This is going to be the final and the concluding part. Up till now, children, in this lesson, the author has talked about various aspects in life following which we can have health, success and power. In the previous passage, he was talking to us about the power of faith. Here he is talking, in this paragraph today, he is talking about passion. Let's see. Passion is not power, it is the abuse of power, the dispersion of power. Passion is like a furious storm which beats fiercely and wildly upon the embattled rock, while power is like the rock itself which remains silent and unmoved through it all. The author is saying, children, the calm, the fearless, the thoughtful and grave people climb steadily, but they reach the top of the life. They reach the top of the mountains. Such type of persons will gather more power. Such type of persons will succeed in checking and stopping the powerful currents of the soul and mind that surround mankind in some or the other negative way. They will more and more successfully be able to control the evil influences, hence nothing will stop them from becoming more powerful. The author says that there is a great difference between passion and power. He has made a comparison and he is also saying here in this paragraph that there is a difference between the two. People sometimes get confused and they have a misconception. Keeping few passions in their mind, they think they are powerful, but here actually the author is telling us in this paragraph, he talks about passion and its evil influences. First of all, what is the actual meaning of the word passion? As I said, the word passion means very strong emotions like anger, love, hatred, jealousy, greed, etc., which can have a negative influence on a person's mind. These are the abnormal feelings of mind and heart. These feelings provoke the man and he misunderstands that he is very powerful. Somebody who carries this kind of state of mind thinks to be a very powerful person, but actually he is not so powerful. He is weak and timid from inside. These feelings provoke the man and he misunderstands that he is powerful. But the writer says that this is not the power, but it is the scattering or the dispersion of power or the weakening of power. He compares passion with the storm. The storm strikes against the rock very fiercely, but the rock is so firm and unmovable that the storm cannot give it any harm. The powerful man is like the rock itself. When the storm of passion hits him, he remains unmoved, calm and quiet. That is what is he saying? He is saying power is compared to that very rock. It is not at all affected by the angry storm that hits it. The rock is silent and fixed in spite of the fierce attack of the storm. So what a sense can you get from these lines? That people, you must have heard a quotation, children, that calm is not weak, calm is powerful. People who can control their emotions, who can learn to be very passive and calm when situations are adverse, they are the ones who are really powerful. In the last and the concluding paragraph, children, the author is saying, this then is the secret of health, a pure heart and a well-ordered mind. This is the secret of success, an unfaltering faith, and a wisely directed purpose, and to rein in with unfaltering will the dark steed of desire. This is the secret of power. These lines, in these lines of the lesson, James Allen is saying, he is concluding the lesson here in these lines and says that it displays the secret, the true secret of health, success and power. Rather, I can say the essence of the lesson, the gist of the lesson here, it comes in these 2-3 lines. The author says that the secret of health is a pure heart and a well-planned mind. The secret of success is strong faith and a wisely directed aim or purpose in life. The secret of power is to keep under control with willpower the dark horse or the steed of desire, and thus a person becomes healthy, he becomes wealthy, he becomes wise. The writer has, children, I'll just explain it a little more to you. The writer has concluded in this discussion that purity of thoughts, firm faith, and self control are essential qualities to get health, success, and power. Thus, we can say that the secret of health is a pure heart and a well balanced mind. The secret of success is firm faith and wisely directed aim of life. To control the wishes with strong willpower is the secret of power. So, with this, we conclude the lesson. And I think I have explained each and every paragraph very well to you all. Please take down your notes. What you have to do, you all know, you have to make the notes and you have to send the answers to me. Whatever work you will do, you will send it to me. You will post it to me on the WhatsApp group. I will very soon meet you all, children, with another lesson in poetry. Take care, and up till then, goodbye, children.